girls, yesterday we learned how to divide mixed number, and today we will continue the same lesson. So we will solve exercises on page 121. So please bring your books and open page 121. Okay. Hello, Lena. So let's start. I think yesterday we hello Asma. So yesterday we solved number 1 and 2 or not. We solved number 2. I want you to tell me, please. On page 121. No. So let's do number 2. I will do it and then I will ask you to help me. 6 hikers shared 4 and 1 over 2. You know that LB, this is a unit in science. I think you took it in science. So of a trail mix, how much trail mix did each hiker receive? So they shared this 4 and 1 over 2. That's mean we have to divide this number or this mixed number on what? On 6. So I will divide 4 and 1 over 2 on 6 to find how much trail mix did each hiker receive. So if I want to divide, yesterday we talked about how to divide mixed number on a whole number. So you have to write both numbers as a fraction. So we have to multiply 4 with 2 and add the answer for the numerator. So 4 multiplied 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9 over 2. Divided on 6 is a whole. If I want to write it as a fraction, it will be 6 over 1. So the denominator will be 1. Now, to convert from division to multiplication, I have to write the inverse of the divisor. That's mean 9 over 2 multiply what? 1 over 6. Before we find the multiplication, I have to find the greatest common factor between two numbers. So 9 and 6 have the same greatest common factor which is 3. Very good. So both numbers able to divide on 3. 9 divided 3 equals 3. 6 divided 3 equals 2. So let's find the answer. The answer will be 3 multiply 1 equals 3. 2 multiply 2 equals 4. So this is the amount that each hiker receive from the trail mix. Okay, 3 over 4 in the simplest form. So you finish this side, girls. Let's move to the number 3 and 4. Okay, Jenna, I will leave this. I will leave it for you. And let's move to number 5. I will leave this. You can write it. Number 5. 5 and 2 over 3 divided on 3. Let's choose Lena. Yes, Lena.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, help me. Now,
so if we multiply 5 with 3,
yes. So
it will be 15.
Yes, Lena, first thing I want to estimate the answer. So girls, I will estimate the answer for you, but I will not do the estimate strategy in all exercise. Just I will do it maybe for number 3 and 4. Okay, so here I will do the estimate, please, Lena, because you start 5 and 2 over 3 divided on 3. So I will use compatible numbers, which are numbers able to divide on each other and close to those numbers. So which number close to 5 and 2 over 3 and able to divide on 3? I think it's 6, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 6 able to divide on 3 and what? Close to 5 and 2 over 3. So I will use comparable numbers, which is numbers are can compute mentally. As we said, I can calculate those numbers mentally by using my mind. So the closest number able to divide on 3 and it's close to 5 and 2 over 3, it's 6. Okay? 6 divided 3 equals 2. Now, Lena, could you please help me to find, so this is the estimate, I will find the correct answer with you.
Yes. 15 will be 3 and 5 will be 15 plus 2 is 17.
Thank you, Lena. So I will multiply 5 with 3, so it will be 15 plus 2 equals 17 over 3 and divided on
3 over 1.
Yes,
three,
that's
yes,
correct. 3 over 1. So I will write this whole number as a fraction and the denominator will be 1. Now I want to convert from division to multiplication. So the number will be what?
15 over 3.
You mean 17 over 3 divided or multiply, because I will
Multiply 1 over 3.
1 over 3, very good. Okay, now, there is any greatest common factor between the numbers, Lena?
No.
No. So now I multiply 17 with 1, sorry, equals what?
17 over 9.
Excellent, thank you so much. Over 9. Equals 3 multiply 3 equals 9. Now this is the greatest, this is the simplest form for this answer.
No.
No. So what I have to do?
We will do it a mixed number.
Very good. How we will do it a mixed number? Because look, girls, you have numerator greater than denominator. So I have to write this number as a mixed number, 17 over 9. How I will write it? Yes, Lena. I have to break the numerator into 2 fractions. The denominator for these 2 fractions will be 9. And I have to break the numerator. Numerator, I will take from the numerator the greatest number able to divide on 9. What is the greatest number able to divide on 9?
It's
Okay, I think Joanna gave me the answer. What is the number able to divide on 9? I think, no, we don't have 18. The whole number is 17. I can take 18. So I will take only 9, right? I will take only 9. And the number that left in 17, it will be, take from 17, 9. So
8.
very good. So 9 divided 9 or 9 over 9 equals what? Equals
9 over 9.
Equals 1. 9 divided 9 equals 1. This is a whole. So the number will be 1 and 8 over 9.
Over 9.
This is the mixed number. Thank you so much, Lena. Okay, girls? Now we will do many exercises and we will exercise on how to write as a mixed number. How to write the simplest form as a mixed number. So the first step, girls, many girls asked me about the first step. Here, to round this number, I will use compatible numbers. Numbers are able to divide by each other. So what is the divisor is 3. What is the number close to 5 and 2 over 3 and able to divide on 3? What is it? Of course, it's 6. The closest number able to divide on 3, so it's 6. 6 divided 3 equals 2. This is the estimate. Okay? So, girls, also here I will use compatible numbers to estimate the answer. I will choose the closest answer, the closest number of 7 and 1 over 2 divided on 2 and 1 over 2. So, what is the closest number for those numbers able to divide by each other? Look, the divisor is 2. So, I will round divisor into 2. What is the number that it's close to 7 and 1 over 2 and able to divide on 2? The closest answer, the closest number is 8. 8 able to divide on 2. So, I will choose numbers I can divide those numbers by each other. That's what I mean in compatible numbers. Numbers are suitable, you remember, suitable to each other. 8 divided 2 equals 4. So this is the estimate. Now I will okay, Selma, yes, help me please to find the answer. 7 and 1 over 2 divided on 2 and 1 over 2. First thing, I want to write the numbers as a fractions. Yes, Selma.
First thing, I will round 7 multiply 2.
Yes.
7 multiply 2 equal 14.
Plus 1?
15.
Excellent. So 15 over 2. Divide. Yes, the second one.
We will make 2 multiply 2
Equals
4.
Plus 1?
5.
Very good. 5 over 2. Now let's convert from division to multiplication.
So it will be 15 over 2 multiply 5 over 2.
Excellent. Not 5 over 2. 2 over 5.
2 over 5. Sorry.
Yes, now, excellent. Yes, what is the greatest common factor? Look, 15 and 5 has the same greatest common factor, which is what?
3.
No. 5 able to divide on 5 and 15 also able to divide on 5. So 15 divided 5 equals 3. I think you gave me the answer. And 5 divided 5 equals what, Selva?
1.
Very good. 2 and 2 also has the same common factor, which is here, which is 2, right? Because
Yes.
the same number. 2 divided 2 equals
1.
also here 1. Now let's find the answer. 3 multiply 1 equals
3.
very good. 1 multiply 1.
1.
So 3 over 1 equals 3. Thank you so much, Selma. So girls, you finished this page. Please type 1 in the chat if you finish. Okay, very good. So let's move now to the second number, 5 and 6. 5 and 3 over 4, I will erase only this one, okay? And I will leave for you the second one. 5 and 3 over 4 divided 4 and 1 over 2. I will not estimate here, just I will find the division. Let's start with Jana. Yes, Jana, open your mic. And let's write these numbers as fractions. Jana, open your mic. Okay, Now 5 multiply 4 equals, Jenna?
Yes, teacher.
5 multiply 4, quickly please.
5 equals 20.
Plus 3.
23.
Over 4. Now, what about this one? 4 multiply 2 equals what?
Equals 8.
Plus 1.
9.
Very good. Now, let's convert from division to multiplication. 23 over 4. Multiply. The divisor will be what? 9 over 2 will be
9 and 2 over 9.
very good. Now there is a greatest common factor between 4 and 2. It will be what? What is the greatest common factor between those numbers?
2.
2 divided 2 equals 1. 4 divided, yes, 4 divided 2.
2.
Now 23 multiply 1 equals what?
Equals 23.
2 multiply 9
Equals 18.
very good. Now I want to simplify, thank you so much Jenna. I want to simplify the answer 23 over 18 and write it as a simplest form because numerator greater than denominator. Let's see, girls. 23 over 18. So I will break the numerator into two fractions. So here, two fractions have the same denominator and break numerator. Numerator is 23. 23, break it into numbers. I am able to divide on 18. The greatest number is 18. Take 18 from 23. What's the number left? Count it, it will be 5. Okay? So the number or the mixed number will be what? 18 over 18 equals 1 and 5 over, okay, I will write it here, I'm sorry. Okay. One and 5 over 18. Okay. Now I will solve number 6. It's 5 divided 1 and 1 over 3. Okay. So how I will, you don't have a space, use sticky note. Okay. Use sticky note or write on a white paper. If you want to write the full answer or the whole steps, but if you want to write the final answer, it's up to you. So 5 divided 1 over 3. If I want to convert this number into fraction and this number into fraction, it will be 5 over 1. Okay, let's choose Farah. Okay, Farah, let's help me please. Divided on 1 and 1 over 3, it will be what, Farah? 1 multiply 3 equals what?
4 over 3.
Very good. 4 over 3.
1 multiply 3, 3. Plus 1, 4.
Now, yes, let's convert from division to multiplication. 5 over 1 multiply
3 over 4.
3 over 4. Very good. Now let's multiply. 5 multiply 3 equals
15.
15 over
4.
very good. Let's write this number in the simplest form. Girls, I will write it here up, okay? I will write it here up. 15 over 4. I want to break it into two fractions with the same denominator and I want to break numerator. 15, what is the great?
12 over 4.
Excellent. 12 over 4 and 3 over 4.
3 over 4.
Excellent. 12 over 4 equals what?
3 over 4 is the final answer.
Excellent, Farah. Thank you so much. Great, great. So this is the simplest form. Girls, when I said write the simplest form, you have to give me this answer. This answer is not acceptable for me. Okay? Now let's move to number 7 and 8. Okay, I will erase this one and I will leave this one for you. So number 7, 6 and 3 over 4 divided on 2. So I want to write the numbers as a fractions. So I will choose yes, Tolene. Open your mic. 6 and 3 over 4, write it as a fraction. It will be what?
It will be the 2 should be a fraction.
6 multiply 4 first.
6 multiply 4 is equal to 24.
Plus 3.
It's equal to 27.
Very good. 27 over 4. Divided 2
over 1.
Okay. Now I want to convert from division to multiplication. So it will be 27 over 4 multiply what?
Multiply 1 over 2.
Very good. Let's find it. 27 multiply 1.
27.
4 multiply 2.
4. 8.
Very good. Thank you so much. Now I want you to focus with me. Who asked me? Johara. Okay, how to write it as a fraction or mixed number. 24 over 8. I want to break this number into two fractions because numerator greater than denominator. So two fractions with the same denominator, 8 and 8. What is the greatest number? Okay, without breaking here, 24 divided 8. Where are you, Tolene? Or not with me? Here, no need to divide or break down the fraction because 24 able to divide on 8, right? Sorry, not 24, this is 27. I'm sorry, I have a mistake here. I write it 24. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So let's break 27 into two fractions now. So it will be what? I will take the greatest number, Johara. I will take the greatest number from 27 able to divide on 8. The greatest number from 27 is what? 24. As I write here. 24, I will take 24 because 24 I can divide it on 8. What's the number left from 27 after taking 24? The number left is 3. So 24 divided 8 equals 3 and 3 over 8. This is the final answer. Okay? Now let's do number 8. Number 8, 2 and 2 over 9 divided on 1 and 3 over 7. Who didn't answer? I think, yes, Jana Farid. 2 and 2 over 9. I want, yes, welcome, Johara. Jana, could you please open your mic? No? Okay. 2 and 2 over 9. Okay, raise your hand, please, girls. Raise your hand. Yes, Lamar. 2 and 2 over 9. 2 multiply 9.
Equal 18.
Plus 2.
20.
20 over 9. Now 1 multiply 7.
7.
Plus 3.
10.
Very good. Now let's write the number, or let's convert from division to multiplication, so it will be what? The divide. Very good. 7/10. Now, there is any greatest common factor between 20 and 10?
Yes.
What? Very good. This one will be what? 20 divided 10 and 10 divided 10. 1. Very good. So 2 multiply 7 equals
14.
9 multiply 1 equals.
9.
Okay, let's break 14/9 and write it as a mixed number. I will break into two fractions with the same denominator. I will take from 14 the greatest number able to divide on 9. What is the greatest number able to divide on 9? It's 9, right? So if I take 9 from 14, what's the number left? Okay, you are with me, Lamar?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Okay, if I take 9 from 14, the number left right here is what? Count it. It's 5.
5.
So 9 divided 9 equals 1 and 5/9. This is the final answer. Thank you so much, Lamar, for helping me. And let's move now. I will erase only this side, girls. I will leave this side for you. And let's move to number 9. Number 9, I will solve it because this is a problem. How many 3 and 1/3 yards? Yards is a unit for in the science. I think you took it. How many 3 and 1/3 yards pieces can Amanda get from 13 1/3 yard ribbon? So I have to divide the bigger number here on the smaller number, which is 13, and 1/3 divided on 3 and 1/3. Now I will divide it. I have to write it as a fraction. So I have to multiply 13 with 3 and add it to 1. 13 divided 3, 3 divided 3 equals 9. 3 divided 1 equals 3. So it will be 39 plus 1 equals 40. So it will be 40/3 divided 3 multiply 3 equals 9 plus 1 equals 10. So it will be 10/3. Now I will convert from division to multiplication. 40 divided 3 multiply 3/10. Okay, I will erase this side, girls. I think you finished. So there is any greatest common factor between, okay, just 1 minute. Okay, there is any greatest common factor between 40 and 10? Yes, it's 10. 40 divided 10 equals 4. 10 divided 10 equals 1. Also, there is a greatest common factor between 3 and 3. It's 3. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. 4 multiply 1 equals 4/1, and it will be 4. Yes, that's right. This is 4 pieces. So Amanda will make 4 pieces of ribbon. Okay? Now we will move to the last and the most important thing. Evaluate using the order of operation. Then write the answer in the simplest form. How to find the answer after order the operation? You remember that there is an order for operations in math, as we learned. The order means, or the order tell me that you have first to, I will write it here, you have to do addition, not addition, sorry, but parentheses first and powers. You have to do division and multiplication after that, and the last thing, addition and subtraction. So look, addition or division and multiplication I can do it both in the second step. So what I have to do, I have to do it from the left side to the right side. So the order told me that you have to do the operations from the left to the right. Start with the first one and after that the second one. That's mean if I have 1 and 1 over 2, multiply 2, divide 1 and 1 over 3. I have here multiplication and I have division. So I have to start with which one? So you can start with multiplication because you have to do the operations from the left, from the left to the right. So I have to start with multiplication. After that I will do division. Let's do it, girls. I will erase this. Okay. Now, first thing, I will multiply this number with 2. So I will convert this number into a fraction. 1 multiply 2 equals 2. Plus 1 equals 3. So it will be 3 over 2. Multiply this one as a fraction. It will be 2 over 1. Divided this number as a fraction. 1 multiply 3 equals 3. Plus 1 equals 4. So it will be 4 over 3. First thing, I will do the multiplication. 3 multiply 2. Or here before the multiplication, right here, I have two numbers able to divide on the same common factor, which is here 2. So 2 divided 2 equals 1. 2 divided 2 equals 1. So now 3 multiply 1 equals 3. 1 multiply 1 equals 1. So this number will be 3 over 1 divided on 4 over 3. Okay? Now I made the multiplication. Now I will do the division. So to do the division, I have to convert the division to multiplication, as we said. So 3 over 1 multiply 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Now 3 multiply 3 equals 9. 4 multiply 1 equals 4. So the number is 9 over 4. This is the simplest form? No. I can write it as a mixed number. So I will break 9 over 4 into two fractions with the same denominator, which is here 4. And what is the number that's able to divide on 4 from 9? It's 8. And the left is 1. So 8 over 4 equals 2 and 1 over 4. This is the simplest form for the answer. What I did here, just I do the division and multiplication in order. Okay? What about number 12? Let's do number 12. Here I have division and addition. So I have to do first division, then I have to do the addition, the plus. So first thing, let's divide. I have to write all numbers as fractions. 1 multiply 5 equals 5 plus 2 equals 7 over 5. Divide. 1 multiply 15 equals 15. 15 plus 13 equals 28. Over 15 plus 5 over 8. Now I will convert from division to multiplication. So 7 over 5 multiply 28 over 15. No, I'm sorry. This one will be 15 over 28 plus 5 over 8. Here I have to simplify the numbers. 5 and 15 divided on 5, this one will be 1 and this one will be 3. Also 28 and 7 able to divide on 7, this one will be 1 and this one 28 divided 7 equals 4. So 1 multiply 3, it will be 3 over 1 multiply 4 equals 4 plus 5 over 8. So I will erase this, girls. I will erase this. I think you finish it. Okay, so after that what I have to do, I have to add the fractions. To add the fractions, I have to make denominators the same. So can I make 4 8? Yes, I can multiply this one with 2. So I will multiply this fraction with 2. 2 multiply 3 equals 6. 2 multiply 4 equals 8 plus 5 over 8. So 6 plus 5 equals to 11 over 8. Of course, I can simplify this number into two fractions, able to divide on into two fractions with the same denominator, 8 and 8. Break this number, take from 11 only 8, and the number left, it will be 3. 8 over 8, it will be 1 and 3 over 8. Okay, so this is we will solve only number 11 and 12. Don't solve number 13 because we don't have time. Girls, I think we finish our session. You have a session after this, right? So thank you so much for attending today and have a nice day.